Protein, protein, protein. Everyone wants protein. You do love your egg bites.
They are a quick and easy, balanced breakfast.
I don't know, I always want a sandwich.
Sometimes when I want to just cut down on the bread,
but
I'm
bread's
good.
so good.
The egg bite satisfies me.
Bread's so good. I know. We're trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Welcome to another edition of Vince's at Home. We're still on the pursuit of more protein. So, what are you making? The thing that you go to Starbucks to buy all the time.
The egg bites. I love the egg bites or omelette bites.
What do they charge you for an egg bite at Starbucks? Guarantee it's like $4, maybe more.
Probably more.
And a carton of eggs right now is on sale for $5.99, I think, those ones.
Yes, so making them at home, much more economical.
Yes, they are.
And you know what's going into them.
Correct. So we're gonna make some egg bites.
Yeah.
Simple recipe, nothing too complicated, looks like ingredients that we always have around.
Yeah, and they're very versatile. You can put whatever you want in them. Just the base is eggs and cottage cheese. And
Cool.
the cottage cheese gives extra protein and makes it creamier.
Absolutely, we've identified that eggs and cottage cheese go well together. It's like an omelet, but in a bite.
Yeah, and you can keep them in your fridge and eat them throughout the week.
Cool.
Okay, so we're gonna crack 8 eggs into the blender. The Conestoga Free Run Omega-3, my favorite eggs, and a cup of cottage cheese. And I'm just using 2%, but you can use any cottage cheese.
Am I blending this?
Yes, you can blend those.
I love this blender, but the lid, I'm so confused over it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go on the outside or the inside. It's fine, I got this, guys. Don't pay attention to me, I'm good. Okay, how blended are we talking?
Smooth.
Smooth. It appears to be smooth. Yeah, look.
Perfect.
That's smooth enough? Look at the color.
Salt and pepper for the egg mixture. So I'm gonna fill those 3/4 of the way up. You have to spray the cups.
Instead of using a normal pan spray, we're using this. We love this.
Like, can you even tell that there's cottage cheese in here?
Nope. Cottage cheese and eggs, they're meant to go together.
And then, yeah, you just top them how you like. You can make like different ones, or you can make them all the same. Today, I chose ham. That's the Unipole Grandpa ham. I got a thick slice so I can chop it up into cubes and put them in the egg bites. And some veggies.
Green onion? I like green onion.
Always good to get your greens in.
Gotta get your greens.
And some cheese to put in them, but you can put whatever you want in it. Or you can leave them plain and use them for breakfast sandwiches.
I'm making a Giancarlo roe. I kinda like this actually. Am I gonna screw it up by putting too much cheese?
Yeah, you have to mix a little
You've made these at home a bunch of times already. With the cottage cheese?
with the cottage cheese, but I used to make them without, and the texture is much more creamy with the cottage cheese. So if you don't put the cottage cheese, then they're much more dry. Okay, do you want to open the oven for me?
I can put them in if you want. Do you want me to just open the oven?
I'm gonna bake those for about 20 minutes.
Those look good.
Yeah, so then they should pop out pretty easily.
Oh yeah, look at those. Those look great. Can you keep these in the fridge?
Yep,
How many days?
3 to 4 days. Or you can freeze them, yeah.
You could shove that in a sandwich.
Totally. So I like some sriracha on top.
It's really good. Good job. It's just like an omelet.
Easy peasy.
Uh-huh. Look at the color.
I know, those eggs are amazing.
This is like generally loved by everybody.
I think so. What's not to love?